Rose here. Thanks for joining me today and welcome to my channel. Today I have a collaboration with 5 other artists, 6 artists altogether, and we are artists that are taking a stand against domestic violence. I want to thank Amy for inviting me to join her in this collaboration, and it's an important topic, especially during the holidays, I think. Not everyone has a Norman Rockwell holiday. So our pieces are going to be for sale. The proceeds, 100% of the proceeds of the sale will be going to 2 different shelters, a shelter in Nebraska and a shelter in Canada. The links to those shelters are in our description box. There's also a Facebook page in our description box. The pictures of our pieces will be on that Facebook page and you can bid. And the bidding closes December 2nd or 5th. It's in the description box. And my piece is going to go to Voices of Hope in Nebraska. I will personally pay for the shipping, so everything that you pay for the piece will go to that shelter. You will pay Amy and I will ship it to you. The only parameters were we needed to have 24 karat gold and a very dark purple, like a doesn't have to be dioxazine purple, but in that family. So let's see how I do. And yeah, please check out the page, and all the other participants are in my description box. And if you can't make the premieres, please watch us all. Please go to the Facebook page and please purchase a piece of beautiful one-of-a-kind art for a very important cause that has hit home for a few of these artists. So thanks, and let's see what I do.
There's a message drifting in the air. If you listen, you will notice music everywhere. This bridge is made of hope. This This bridge is made of hope. In this world of hunger, war, and strife, we can together, all included, build a better life. This bridge is made of hope. Side by side, hope. This bridge is made of hope. Side by side, this bridge is made of hope. Side by side, hope. This bridge is made of hope. Side by side,
All right, here it is, dried and resined. You can catch some of that beautiful gold in there. Definitely purple. I'm calling it Hopeful Heart. Very pleased with the final outcome. This is up for sale. Go to my description box. It's got a link to the Facebook page. All the proceeds for my painting are going to Voices of Hope in Nebraska. I hope you participate and bid and purchase, and it's an important cause. So on the premiere up next, I believe, is Amy. So all the links are in the description box. But yep, you'll get a little ornament if you purchase this. So thanks so much, Amy, for letting me participate. Important cause for all, especially during the holidays. You know, it's can be a difficult time. So here's my hopeful heart, and thanks again. Peace, everyone.